This is how to clean the filter on a Frigidaire FPID2497RF dishwasher. I usually clean it about every 3 weeks. First, grab the filter handle and turn right to unlock it. Lift it out to clean. You can spray it with water to wash it, and also use soap and a sponge to scrape off the crud. Be sure to lift this part out to clean also. Then simply put it back in the dishwasher. Put the filter in, and once it's seated, twist back to the left to lock it in place. If this has helped you, please be sure to subscribe.